Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open Settings and turn on Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri. You need both for hands-free and manual. Once done, confirm language and Siri voice to match pronunciation. This improves recognition accuracy. If prompted, follow the brief on screen training to teach Hey Siri your voice. Make sure the phone has good battery and Wi-Fi. These steps combine permissions and voice calibration, so Siri responds reliably when you speak. Now you'll practice commands. Say Hey Siri followed by a clear verb or press the side button and speak immediately. Use concise phrasing, call Jamie, send message to Alex, running late, or set timer for 12 minutes, because specific triggers reduce ambiguity. Once done, include details like contact names and precise times or addresses so Siri selects the correct result. Make sure apps permissioned in Settings Siri and Search. If an app is disabled, Siri can't act on it. Finish by fine-tuning and resolving issues. Open Settings to adjust Siri feedback and app access so commands behave as expected. If Siri mishears you, retrain Hey Siri by toggling it off and on and repeating the voice prompts. This recalibrates recognition. Make sure your microphone isn't blocked, install pending iOS updates, and restart the phone if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if Siri still fails, disable and re-enable Siri in Settings. Then test in a quiet room to isolate back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.